You're about to learn how to add scribble animations to your videos just like Bruno Mars did in his video for That's What I Like. I made another video like this showing you how to create this effect from scratch on your own, but for those of you who find that too complicated or just want to do this in a matter of seconds, then you're in the right place.
Cineguac.
First thing you gotta do is go to cineguac.com and click on Free Stuff. I've also included a direct link in the description below. Here you can download the scribble effect. Once you download the effect, import the video file into your editing software. In this case, I'm using Premiere Pro. Here you can scroll through the various scribble effects I made. I included several versions with different colors, sizes, and speeds. Pick the one you like and place it on your timeline. Then simply apply the Ultra Key effect and remove the green screen with the little eyedrop tool. Now you can freely adjust the size, rotation, and placement to fit your video clip. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I take recommendations, so tell me what you want and I'll try my best to make a tutorial video.